This is a profit breakdown when selling on Amazon before and after PPC ads. On my very first order, my goal is to achieve 30% profit margin after FBA fees, cost of goods, and shipping. Now this is pre-PPC, but let's say that we had a product with a $40 selling price. Our landed cost was $16.75, FBA fees $11.25. That would leave us a profit of $12 at a 30% margin. But remember, that's on our very first order where we're likely going to have the highest cost of goods because we're only starting with a sample test run order of 100 to 300 units. And with my first order, I'm just trying to get proof of concept, not necessarily run to the bank with all the profits that I've made. So you're likely also going to have a higher TACoS, which is total advertising cost of sale. So maybe you break even, maybe you have a 10, 20% margin depending on your TACoS. Now on future orders, as you start to order more inventory, your cost of goods is going to come down. So let's say we have our same product with a $40 sales price. Now we bring our landed cost down to $12.75. FBA fees remain the same. That leaves us a profit of $16 at a 40% profit margin. Again, that's still before PPC. Now, as the product becomes more established and I increase my organic rank and I optimize my ads and my conversion, I ideally want to have a TACoS of around 10%. So if we take our 40% profit margin and subtract that by our ad spend or TACoS of 10%, my goal is to have a 30% profit margin after ads. And all of the established products that I currently operate do have over a 30% profit margin after ads. But on the very first order, I know that after ads, I'll be a little bit under a 30% margin.